Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you exactly how to get your ChatGPT API key step by step right from your PC. It's quick, safe, and only takes a few minutes, so let's get started. First, open your browser and go to platform.openai.com. Once you're on the site, click Log In if you already have an account, or sign up to create one using your email or Google account. After signing in, click your profile picture in the top right corner and select View API Keys. You can also go directly to platform.openai.com/API-keys if you want to skip straight there. Next, click on Create New Secret Key. A long code will appear. This is your API key. Copy it right away and save it somewhere safe, like in a secure note or password manager, because you won't be able to see it again later. That's it! You now have your ChatGPT API key. You can use it to connect ChatGPT to other apps like Excel, WhatsApp, or your own custom bots. Just remember, your API key is private, so don't share it publicly or post it online. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tech tutorials.